The motivational powerhouse who's ready to ignite our enthusiasm. I would like to welcome Mr. Suresh Semwal from Possiblers. Mr. Semwal is the co-founder of Possiblers and an internationally acclaimed motivational speaker, certified leadership coach, management trainer, and an author. In the last 3 decades, he had worked with 600 plus corporate clients across the globe, 250, 600 programs. Welcome, Mr. Semwal. The stage is yours. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And salute to Indian woman. Seriously, it's a big salute to Indian woman, because she is the one who's holding this fort together, but she also takes care of this fragile ego of Indian men. Gymnasiums, right? Now you tell me, in the gyms, who goes early morning? Youngsters, of course youngsters. Now tell me, why youngsters are going to gym early in the morning? What kind of fear they have? They don't have fear. They don't have fear. People are going to gym, youngsters are going to gym early in the morning because then they have to go to office. So why they hit the gym in the morning? Because their standard for health is higher. For ordinary people, the standard of parameter of health is if your blood pressure is between 80 to 120, you are healthy. If your sugar levels are below 100, you are healthy. But for that youngster, that's not the parameter. For that youngster, the parameter is how many bench presses can I do, my biceps, triceps, chest size, my stamina. So his health standards are better. That motivates that fellow. Yes or no? How many of you go to gym? Very good. So you have higher standards. Can we give them a hand, please? And how many of us go for regular walks? वो भी ठीक है. इनके लिए भी ताली बजाओ. और अब जो बच गए हैं मेरी तरह के, जो ना उधर जाते ना उधर जाते, तुम कहां जाते हो? वेट कर रहे हैं मेडिकल रिपोर्ट की. उसके बाद हम भी जाएंगे पार्क. क्या सर? So there are two motivators, ladies and gentlemen. One is fear, the other is standard. So some people have high standards for themselves, and that motivates them. And I always want trainers to have higher standards for themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, one more question I need to ask you. And of course, you're free to use all this content in your training program, okay? What is the difference between hope and expectation? Yes, please. Hoping for something and expecting something. Yes, madam. Hoping is positive attitude, and expectation can be negative too. Huh? All right. Thank you for sharing. Yes, anybody else? Yes, sir. Wonderful. Wonderful. Have you heard him? तो ताली बजाओ यार, ठीक बताया लड़के ने. हाँ. See, for hope, you don't need to do anything essentially. Let's hope for the best. हाँ, जब hope ही करनी तो for best ही करो. क्यों? दुनिया किस चीज पे कायम है? Hope पे, क्योंकि करती कुछ नहीं तो hope ही करती है. So what is hope? Anything for which you do not do anything, you can hope. Let's hope for a better monsoon. What can you do अगर नहीं आया तो? Nothing. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आया नहीं आया. So for monsoon you can hope, but for expectation you need to first do something. Ladies and gentlemen, hoping that your training program will go well is not the strategy. You got to expect it to go well. And if you are preparing for it, you are expecting it to go well. Otherwise, you are only hoping. आज ना participants अच्छे मिलेंगे. अच्छा, hope नहीं करनी. Be ready for all kinds of participants. Be ready with your material, tools, videos, exercises. Then you are expecting a good show. Otherwise, you are hoping. And hope is not a strategy, ladies and gentlemen. Hope is not a strategy. Let me ask you one more question. What is the connection between respect and expectation? What's the connection? Any connection? Because you all said you want to be respected, right? Remember? So what is the connection between respect and expectation? Huh? Respect and expectation. What is the connection? We will be respected when we meet the expectation. Very good, sir. What else? Any other connection? When you give respect to others, you get respect. Yeah. Okay. Yes, please. Huh? माइक चाहिए आपको? Or any other connection? Respect and expectation? Because I have not gotten that one answer that I am expecting from you. Respect and expectation, come on. There is one beautiful connection. I hope you are thinking. Yes. Respect काम करने से होती है. एक्सपेक्टेशन भी काम करने के बाद होती है. हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बताया सर आपने. इनके लिए भी ताली बजाओ भाई. अच्छा, जब आप किसी और के लिए ताली बजाते हो ना, दिल से बजाया करो. हाँ? Body was giving you signal, you're already tired, it's enough. But I said, keep going, keep going, keep going. So you gathered more energy to keep going. However, your mind was telling you you're already tired. Same thing happens in life as well. You start believing sometimes you are already done. However, your best is yet to come. So keep going and keep going. As far as respect and expectations are concerned, ladies and gentlemen, let me share my perspective with you. Anybody whom we have, for whom we have very high respect, we will have very high expectation. Is that correct? Anybody whom we respect, we have very high expectations from that person. And anybody from whom we are having high expectation, it means we respect. And anybody whom we respect, we have very high expectation. जिसकी इज्जत ज्यादा, उससे अपेक्षा ज्यादा. जिसकी इज्जत कम, उससे अपेक्षा कम. Is that correct or incorrect? For example, suppose sir is my senior, he is my boss. Okay? And I have done something right which nobody does wrong. मैंने कोई ऐसा काम ठीक किया जो कोई गलत नहीं करता. And he is my boss. And he tells me, Semwal, you did it. Oh wow, you did this job. Very well done. So what does it mean? Does he respect me a lot? No. कोई खास इज्जत नहीं करते ये मेरी, इसीलिए छोटा सा काम ठीक किया उस पे भी कह रहे बहुत कर दिया तूने. And let's take another example. He is my boss and I have made a mistake and he is very upset. And he says, Semwal, how can a person like you make such a mistake? What does it reflect? Does he respect me more or less? He respects me more. क्योंकि जिससे इज्जत ज्यादा होती है, उससे अपेक्षाएं भी ज्यादा होती हैं. If you respect somebody more, you expect more. Is that correct connection, ladies and gentlemen? Say a louder yes. I am expecting louder. So if I am expecting louder, am I respecting you? Very good. So it means I respect you, right? But have you seen some people, if you raise your expectations from them, they get stressed up. कि इतनी इज्जत मुझे मत दो, किसी और को दे दो. Right? Hey, come on. If somebody is raising his or her expectations from you, it means they respect you. And how much respect you and I give to our own self reflects in what kind of goals we are chasing. If I have quality goals in my life, that clearly indicates I have a lot of respect for myself. Therefore, I believe that I am worthy of achieving this kind of a goal. लेकिन वो जिसका गोल यही है कि आज कुछ नहीं करूँगा, वो पता चल रहा है ये अपनी कितनी इज्जत करता है. Have you not seen some people, if you raise their expectations from them, they feel unnecessarily stressed out. So my suggestion would be, raise your expectations. Can you do that? Say louder, yes. Bit more. Is it possible? Is it possible to raise our expectations from self? That's called having standard goals. So can I request you to do one quick activity? Then I have one more point to share with all of you. So I want all of you to take this pledge with me that yes, it is possible. You know, this statement, yes, it is possible, is very close to my heart because this is the punchline of my company name, Possiblers. So we believe that yes, it is possible. So I want you to please say it with the full conviction, this statement, that yes, it is possible. तो इसको कहने के लिए करना क्या है? When I say one, together all of us will stand up and say yes, it is possible. When I say two, please sit down and say yes, it is possible. And when I say three, once again stand up and say yes, it is possible. Will you be able to do this much physical activity? Is that okay if I make you do that? I hope you don't mind that. And by the way, I'm expecting you not to mind that. I'm not hoping anymore. All right, here we go. Spinal cord erect. On 1 and 3, you need to stand up. On 2, you will be sitting down. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Sit down. Now you have done what I asked you to do. Do a little more. So this time I want you to make 2 fists like this. So when you stand up, yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. All right? Can you do this much? All right, here we go. Are we ready? And by the way, whenever there is large gathering, some people try and act chatur. You know, these chatur believes that everybody is saying, why do I need to say it? I would like to tell these chaturs that please understand, I am also a chatur person. Don't do this much of chaturai in this session. आपके ऐसे कई काम हैं, कोई और आपकी जगह करेगा, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. मुझे नहीं पता आप क्या सोच रहे हो. मेरा कहने का मतलब है टी ब्रेक होगा और हम कहें आप बैठो मैं पी के आता हूं. Will you be okay with that? In the dinner time and then later on, will you be okay if I do things on your behalf? So then nobody else is going to say, yes, it is possible on your behalf. All right, so let's do it. I'm expecting all of you to say it with the same conviction. All right, don't depend on the other person. Here we go. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Now let me tell you, the title of my program was Pleasant Mind is Productive Mind. Okay? जो pleasant mind है, only that mind is productive mind. So as a trainer, you and I need to learn to keep ourselves in a pleasant state. My mantra is very simple. If you want to remain in a pleasant state sensibly, you must keep growing. You must keep growing. If you're not growing and you're feeling happy, you need medical checkup. You know, whenever you are making progress, you are growing, you are bound to feel happy. That's a sensible happiness, right? So grow, number 1. Number 2, have the tendency to give more than you take. Have the tendency to give more than you take. Anybody who is giving more than the takeaway is an asset in the relationship. You know, anybody whose contribution is more than the takeaway is the asset in the relationship, is the in charge of the relationship. Always have the tendency to give more than you take. कई लोगों को आपने देखा नहीं, उनको हमेशा धुक रहती है जॉब की और इसकी. पता है क्यों? Their contribution is less than their takeaway, and they always hope कि कंपनी को पता ना चल जाए. My contribution got to be more than my takeaway. So when you're in front of your audience, trainees, please be there and please ensure, as per your capacity, give them the best that you have for the day. Have this much of, responsibility when you are there and people are listening to you, right? So this is our responsibility. Give. And number 3 is be grateful of this opportunity that you got, that you are in a profession where you can speak, others listen, others learn from you, and on top of that, they respect you too. So grow, give, and have a sense of gratitude. You will always be in a pleasant state. And now what I'm about to say, listen very carefully. Because other than trainers, we are also human beings. You know, we have our own personal relationships too. How many of you are married? How many of you are happily married? I know many married people. They have complaints against their spouse. Of course, very natural. होगी ही. एक आदमी मुझे कहता है मेरी अपनी पत्नी से जी एक शिकायत है. मैं कहा दूसरे की बीवी से किसको शिकायत है? अपनी वाली से होती है. Or some people have this कि यार my wife does not have this particular thing, this particular habit, इसमें ये कमी, उसमें वो कमी. You know, if my wife will have all the right things, why will she be my wife? अरे उनमें सब कुछ ठीक होता तो हमें पास हम थोड़ी होते. My mantra for happy relationships, ladies and gentlemen, is very simple. जो भी मेरे पास है मेरे लिए खास है. जो भी मेरे पास है मेरे लिए खास है. In English, what I mean is, whatever I have is important to me. That particular person may not be perfect, but is important for me because that is the person I have. तो जो भी मेरे पास है मेरे लिए खास है. जो दुखी लोग हैं वो कौन है? जो भी मेरे पास है बकवास है. Have you not seen some people, you know, they will keep cribbing. Your Mr. Semwal, I gave interview in a wonderful company. What a company it was. But then what happened? I was not selected. All right. How about this company? ये भी कोई company है, इसका तो system ही ठीक नहीं है. The company which rejected you, you are gaga about that company. And the company which selected you, ये भी कोई company है. बात तेरी सही है. अगर ये company भी समझदार होती तो तुझे interview में नहीं पहचान लेती. No, what kind of a sick mindset is that? जो भी मेरे पास है मेरे लिए खास है. So don't compare yourself with unnecessary, you know, different people, different situations. So, and be happy. And please do not postpone your happiness for something else in the future. What I'm about to say, listen very carefully, ladies and gentlemen, and especially girls should listen very carefully. So the moment I say girls should listen very carefully, all men become attentive. That what is that special thing? That special thing is, I'm sure some of you must have observed. Have you observed that average female lives generally a little longer than the male? Have you heard this data before? Average female will have less cardiac issues than the male. Have you heard this also? Even in the mental asylum, the female ratio is less. Even in terms of committing suicide, the female ratio is less. Now, if the difference was minuscule, we could have ignored it. But the difference in percentage is huge. Huh? Like in mental asylum, 50% more men than women, by the way. All right? So then there are a lot of researches have happened that why it happens. Let me just tell you the crux of it. And girls, listen very carefully. Girls, ladies and women have been blessed with a natural power. It's natural to them. She can enjoy the process. Men by default have a problem. We are never there in the process. We are in the future. Let me give you an example. Even the process of getting ready for the event, who enjoys it? 5-year-old girl or 75-year-old lady, they enjoy the process of getting ready. For men, getting ready is a problem. Because we need to be somewhere. And have you not seen, especially in North India, you know, she will be taking her sweet time to get ready for the special occasion, and the husbands, typical husbands, थोड़ा जल्दी कर ले यार, थोड़ा जल्दी कर ले यार. अच्छा, जबकि जल्दी करना कहने से होती नहीं है, but still we keep saying. Have you also observed that the man is driving generally and she is sitting beside here? The man is giving feedback to all traffic constables, all the government officials. This flyover should have been completed 6 months back, but still the work is going on. This damn traffic light is not working. Abbe isko ghar khadi kar le. And what is she doing in the car? She is changing the songs, enjoying the process. Huh? She's there in the journey, enjoying the process. And if you have ever gone to any marriage function or any other big functions with your family, you must have seen, before we go there, and if we are going with our kids too, we always tell the kids, be with the mother. Be with the mother. And in every marriage function, it is the father who takes care of the kids. Why? She is enjoying the process. And the kids are roaming here and there. Because she knows कि तूने दुखी रहना है, तू ध्यान रख. And salute to Indian woman. Seriously, it's a big salute to Indian woman, because she not only she is the one who's holding this fort together, but she also take care of this fragile ego of Indian men. Indian man के बैंक में कुछ होना हो, अकड़ पूरी होती है. And have you seen how she handles it beautifully? She will come up with that ketchup bottle. कि oh, ये please खोल दोगे?
Sorry, Mr. Simwal, again we
Just
will
one
take
second,
a part.
sir, let me-
Okay.
इसको खोल दोगे? अच्छा, वो कहती है कि ये ऐसा कोई वो ढक्कन नहीं है जो वो खोल नहीं सकती, पर ना वो आपको देती हैं. Do you know why? She wants to make you feel strong. So she enjoys the process. So my suggestion to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you are doing, don't postpone your happiness for future. Enjoy the process. Thank you very much. I guess you have a guest here.
Thank you for your understanding. Really appreciate.
Enjoy the process.